How to fix Instagram opening problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram opening problem on Android or iOS phone. First, open Play Store or App Store, and here make sure your Instagram is updated. If you found here an update, just click on it, and now just go back and go to settings. This one's for Android phone. Go to apps, and in apps again type here Instagram and click on it. Now click force stop and go to storage. Clear cache, you will lose your accounts, but that will fix your problem. And then click permissions and give it all of those permissions. And now just go back, restart your phone and try again. And if you have an iOS phone, an iPhone, just uninstall your Instagram and install it again. I hope that can fix your problem, and see you in the next video.